What's up guys, Cody from Gorilla here, and today I'm going to be fixing an original Xbox controller. The notes my employees left for me says, totally stuck back button, works great otherwise. Also, as you can plainly see, it does have a messed up thumbstick. You wouldn't want to sell something like that. It looks like it's been bitten off by a dog or something. So, you will be needing a Phillips screwdriver, some Q-tips, some cleaning solution, and some new thumbsticks. If you do need new thumbsticks, we have them available here at the store. Alright, let's get started. Original Xbox controllers are very easy. There are just 7 screws that you will need to undo on the back of this controller. So the first 6 are very visible, but the last one is actually hidden. You find that problem, well, not really a problem, but you find that on a lot of controllers, that one of the screws or something will be hidden under a sticker or something. So based on that, you could probably guess where this one is. So the final screw is going to be right under here. So if we take, I don't know if you're going to personally care about this at home, but I kind of do here. I like to preserve items as much as possible, so I'm going to use my tweezers here and just kind of lightly peel this bit off. There we go. That way I can replace the sticker after I finish the repair. But I'm sure most of you guys don't really care about that kind of thing. You can just rip that sticker right off or whatever. It's up to you. It's your controller. Alright, so let's start by removing the back panel. Sometimes the board will come up with it, and that's not a big deal. The point is you basically want this to come apart into 3 pieces. So you got your back panel. You can just kind of move that out of your way. You got the actual board, which does have the 2 rumble motors attached, so be careful and be aware of those. And you've got your actual shell itself. So the first part of the note said that the back button was sticking, right? So anytime you have some kind of button sticking, you will just want to yank the buttons out. Like if the buttons are sticking, it is just like goop in between the buttons and the shell itself. So let's start with that. Let's see, it looks like the back button was sticking, so let's remove the back button. Take our Q-tip and some cleaning solution and clean out that slot there now that I've pulled out the back button. And of course, since you've got this hole open and this whole controller open, you already started the project, you might as well clean just about everything that you feel like. You're not going to have you're probably not going to want to pull this thing apart multiple times, even though it is a much easier repair than some other controllers. Might as well kill 2 birds with 1 stone. Do not forget to actually clean the button itself. Go ahead and put that right back into place. And yeah, it already feels much better. Alright, moving on to the second problem. So we have our thumbsticks. This is extremely easy. Just lift them right off. Throw those things right in the trash and put your new thumbsticks on. You really can't do this wrong because it's like an oval shape indented in there and shooting out of the joystick's mechanism here. So you just go ahead and put that right on there, shove it down all the way. And there you go, you got some brand new joysticks on there. Alright, let's put this all back together. Start with putting the board onto this front shell. After you've got the board slid in, I like to put some pressure on the board against the front shell and flip it over like that, and make sure that all these buttons are feeling right, just in case something got kind of weird when you were putting it back together. Feels good, so let's put the rumble motors right back into their slots. And finally this wire here. And then the back shell. And again, now that the back shell is on, I like to hold it in my hand like I would the actual controller. It's all put together, and just feel and just make sure everything feels right. And it feels good. So, last thing you need to do is put all the screws back in. So I'm going to start with the one under the sticker since I am replacing the sticker. And I want to get this annoying flap out of the way. There you go. One down, and just put in your last 6 screws. And now your original Xbox controller is as good as new. Thanks for watching.